Ka I tāma ki makaurau te ahurei whine whakanui nei I ngā hapori takatāpui maha. I haere atu tō mātou kaikawe pūrongo a Jess Tyson ki te kite I te hiranga o tēnei hui.
He hui ahurei hei whakanui I te kanorau o tēnei hapori.
We basically just facilitate space for our Pacifica Rainbow LGBTQI plus MVPFAFF plus queer communities and our families who didn't feel like Pride was kind of their vibe and they wanted something that centered culture. So there's so many benefits. Even if you just come to learn to weave a basket, like that concept of understanding how to do that, for a lot of people is just that's enough.
Because this is the bottom of our kete, we want to make sure that that's really tight.
I'm here because I am a queer Pacific person that wants to learn more and be around more queer Pacific people.
Ko mama I heke noa mai I o tautahi kia tatū mai ki konei.
O Tautahi in Christchurch is a very conservative white space. For a lot of queer Pacific people, it's really difficult for us to find safe spaces for us.
Like you don't have to be heavy-handed as you're going over again the colour.
Ko tewhi I whakawhiti noa mai I Amerika.
Professional.
Us from the U.S. continent who are in diaspora would like to be able to build relationship with our communities, our Pacifica Rainbow communities, not only in Aotearoa but also in the Pacific. I'm here specifically to reconnect with our people.
Ki te tai o penga nei, katsu hoki tētahi whakakitenga toi, nā Paula Chan-Chirk, rāua ko Vesisio Lewis Thompson.
Pioneer Pacific fashion designers who have spent over 5 decades contributing to the Pacific fashion industry. They've adorned the bodies in people's biggest celebrations to their most vulnerable in mourning. And we have a whole bunch of series of workshops. We have lava lava printing that I run. We have takatāpui who's here from Tutumu, where he's teaching people how to weave basketry using plastic strapping because we are limited with natural resources here. And then we also have Savi Noa from Uriowhitira Mailemoana Trust who's doing poi making.
They can come as they are. You know, they don't have to be look a certain way or be a certain way. They can identify as what they want to identify as and come to a space where a lot of things are happening throughout the day and throughout the night where they actually get to be empowered by different stories and kaupapas.
He hui kore utu te ahurei whine, ka tū taino atu ki te mutunga wiki. He toi whakari, he toi kanikani anō hoki te mahi. Jess Tyson, te ao mārama.